What if I told you that much of what we celebrate today as modern science and technology, concepts like the speed of light, surgery, cosmology, and even quantum thinking, was already explored thousands of years ago in ancient India? Before Newton discovered gravity, before Hippocrates laid down the foundations of medicine, before Galileo looked up at the stars, India had already begun decoding the mysteries of the cosmos, the mind, and the body. This is not mythology, this is forgotten history, this is timeless Indian wisdom. Let's begin with the Rig Veda, composed over 3,000 years ago. It speaks of the universe as an infinite, expanding entity, echoing the Big Bang Theory. The Vedic concept of time describes cycles, yugas, each spanning millions of years, not unlike modern theories of galactic time. And in the Sayana Bhasya, a 14th century commentary on the Rig Veda, there's an astonishing line. With deep respect, I bow to the sun, who travels 2,202 yojanas in half a nimisha. Do the math, that's roughly 186,000 miles per second, the exact speed of light. Coincidence? Or an ancient understanding of cosmic speed? In the 6th century BCE, before the birth of modern medicine, lived a genius named Sushruta. He authored the Sushruta Samhita, detailing over 300 surgical procedures and 120 surgical instruments. He performed cataract surgery, plastic surgery, and even complex operations like cesareans using tools crafted from stone and metal. Ayurveda, India's holistic medical science, goes even deeper. It treats not just illness, but the root imbalance in energy, doshas, that cause it. Today, wellness retreats across the world preach detox, yoga, intermittent fasting, all rooted in Ayurvedic principles practiced 5,000 years ago. Imagine a world without numbers, equations, or astronomy. Now, meet Aryabhata, the 5th century Indian mathematician and astronomer. He calculated pi, described the Earth's rotation, and even proposed heliocentrism, a millennium before Copernicus. But India's greatest gift, zero. The Brahmagupta Sutras didn't just conceptualize zero, they made it usable in equations. That single digit revolutionized global mathematics. In astronomy, Indians measured eclipses, mapped the stars, and created sophisticated observatories like Jantar Mantar, without telescopes, using pure geometry. Science often looks outward, but ancient India also looked inward. The Upanishads explored consciousness, identity, and the illusion of time, ideas now echoed by quantum physicists. Yoga and meditation were not fitness routines, they were technologies of consciousness. The concept of Kundalini, a latent energy at the base of the spine, parallels the idea of human potential waiting to be awakened. Today, scientific journals document how meditation rewires the brain, slows aging, and enhances cognition. But India knew this thousands of years ago. What if true advancement isn't just building machines, but mastering the mind? The knowledge of ancient India wasn't primitive, it was intuitive, holistic, and multidimensional. We are only now beginning to understand what our ancestors knew, not just with the mind, but with conscious experience. It's time to rediscover this timeless wisdom, not as legend, but as a legacy, because the future of science might just lie in the forgotten past.